What if you could browse the internet for free? No recharge, no tricks, no scams. 100% legit and working in 2026. Alright, today I'm showing you exactly how by using an amazing app by Facebook. So let's jump straight in. Before we kickstart, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The app mentioned here is legit and provided by Facebook for select countries and networks. Always follow your local laws, your network provider's terms, and stay safe online. Alright, let's continue. Open your browser and visit freebasics.com. Next, choose to download the Free Basics app without data charges or install it from the Play Store. Personally, the Play Store option works better for me, so I'll click the Get It on Google Play button. Go ahead and hit install, and bam, you have it on your phone. Click Open. Now let's check. As you can see in my notification bar, I don't have data on my MTN SIM showing right here, but I'm about to browse the internet for free in just a few seconds. Let's keep moving. Click Continue, and yep, you're now on the Free Basics app homepage. But wait, what exactly does the Free Basics app give you? Is there more to it than you know? Trust me, if you're missing this, you're definitely missing out big time. Let me quickly reveal its real value. Free Basics by Facebook gives you free access to important parts of the internet, including news, health, jobs, and educational websites without using your data balance. It's available in many countries and supported by major networks like MTN, Airtel, and others. You must be on a supported network in your country before you can access the app. Once you're in, you can read the news, check health tips, apply for jobs, and access educational resources all without touching your data. You can browse sites like BBC News, Bing, Tonaton.com, Disney, Messenger, and Facebook for free, and lots more. Click on Jobs, browse through listings, and apply directly. If you also click on Bing, you can browse news from across the web, again with no data. And it doesn't stop there. You can even add more services to your free list. Here's how. Click the 3 vertical dots at the top right. Scroll through the available websites and platforms, select the ones you're interested in, and tap Add. And bam, I just added science to my list. Now, here's the best part. You can browse Facebook for free. Tap on the Facebook Free Data button and it opens the Facebook app in basic mode. In basic mode, you can post text, view posts, chat with friends, and make new friends. Note, pictures and videos won't load in basic mode. Depending on your network, some providers even give you extra free data every day to view pictures and videos. This varies by country and network. For example, MTN gives me 15 megabytes per day to load images and videos. Some networks offer even more. To check your free daily offer, just tap on the Basic Mode Plus button at the top left of the app. Remember, you can't browse all websites. It's limited to approved sites, but it's super useful when you run out of data. And that's it. Now you know how to browse the internet for free legally in 2026 without needing to recharge. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more helpful educational internet tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe and see you in the next video.